Welcome! I am so happy to introduce you my brand new ultimate course for e-commerce. I am Tom. I have been awarded by Internet Efficiency Award and I will be so happy to help you. If you wanna create Facebook ads for the e-commerce to understand what are the objectives, what is business manager, how to really use correctly your pixel setup and catalogs, and how to use the power of traffic ads, conversion ads and dynamic ads, and all the power of retargeting, dynamic retargeting, lookalike and custom audiences. This is the course for you. I don't know if you are a business owner, if you would like to make money as consultant, but I am pretty sure this course can give you great power, great confidence. So I will be showing you how am I also creating e-commerce ads. How can you think in the matter not just where to click, that you click conversion, you use your targeting, or you use lookalike audience or custom audience, but we will go much deeper. I will show you how do I prepare. It means how do I prepare the copy, how do I think of the very short copy that will hit the people, how do I prepare pictures, mainly into the square. So we will go much more deeper in the matter of business. There was a student and he has written to me, just 10 videos I have seen. I've talked to my friend and he has asked me to become his client. We will also go much deeper when the ads are running and you can see the first purchases, and you can go beyond this testing to use more like scientific approach. I truly want you to master the Facebook ads the way that you reach great efficiency. Not only you know where to click and what to set up, but really know how to reach great profits. You can be sure that you can really open the champagne and you can truly celebrate. So get ready, because the success is yours. And I'm so happy to guide you for all you really need to succeed with your e-commerce Facebook ads. I will be always here for you, so welcome on board, and I am so happy to welcome you as my new student.